Hello all beautiful people. Welcome to my next video. Thanks for tuning in. Again, this is my frame and today I wanted to strip the paint. Uh, Actually, I've had some plans about it some time ago and I ordered online paint remover. It's a spray can, but the reviews on the recent recent removers that are being sold in the United States are not so good. Apparently, some environmental protection agency decided that the main ingredient in all those paint strippers, paint removers, the ingredient is methylene chloride, that it's not good anymore and it has to be removed from all those paint strippers. And basically people say that they don't work anymore. Okay, it was some pretty strong stuff, I believe. I don't know, I never had an experience, but people say it doesn't work anymore. So I was able to find out something online on eBay that didn't show any signs that it doesn't contain this methylene chloride. Basically, it should contain this because the picture showed regular can with no additional information about this ingredient being removed from the content. And today I received the spray, which is this, and as you can see it says non-methylene chloride formula, and I got pretty upset. Okay, I thought that it will not work. I was almost going to go back to the seller, complain that he's selling something else in the picture and sending something else. But I can say that this stuff works. Okay, I did try it on my frame. I wanted to try it somewhere where it wouldn't be visible too much, just in case it didn't work. So I turned the frame around and tried it here. As you can see, it's bare metal, and it was, as it says on the container, about 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. I left it for 20 minutes, I think. It was one spray, it was foaming, I put it on, I left it to work, I came back, took a screwdriver, and the paint was peeling off. As you can see, it's peeling off. This frame, I believe, is powder coated. I guess most of the frames are. I hope so. And it got rid of the paint quite easily. So I cannot complain to the seller that he's selling some cheap shit, because it actually works. Okay, so soon I will be disassembling everything, cleaning up the aluminium in Europe. It's pretty, I could say, dingy here. I will clean this up, polish, make it look really good, and then send it for powder coating. Okay, so my frame will be beautiful as new, thanks to this spray can. All right, so that's it. That's all for today in this vlog. I'll get back to you with some updates, hopefully about the batteries. I spoke with the post office today. They are looking for my package with the missing 30 batteries, 30 cells. I don't know if they find it or not. If not, I will open a case with AliExpress. Basically, there's a buyer protection. I hope it will work for me, and I will get my cells. So that's all for today. See you next time. Bye.